Let's bring it down to Brandon Rudder for the starting lineup for tonight's feature. Starting on the pole, you got the quick time in qualifying and the Caravan ASE Caravan number 9, that is Kasey Kahne. Rounding off the front row in the Tree Center All-Star Performance HP Engines Coastal Race Parts number 13 is Justin Peck. Starting on the second row, in third place in the Richard Petty Driving Experience STP McCreary Westmaid Sanders JJ Auto Rocking number 2, that is Andy Hillenberg. Rounding off your second row, starting fourth in the Weekerts Livestock STP Beef Real Food for Real People, it is the 29 of Keith Kaufman. And your only one in the final row, the third row, starting in fifth spot, World of Outlaw legend in the Amoco 93, that is Dave Blaney. So let's bring it down to your podium. Finishing third in the STP Richard Petty Driving Experience number 2, it's Andy Hillenberg. Finishing second in the Amoco 93, it is Dave Blaney. And finally, your winner of tonight's feature in the Tree Center All-Star Performance HP Engines Coastal Race Parts number 13, it is Justin Peck. Now we bring it down to Victory Lane. Here he is, your winner of tonight's feature, Justin Peck. Starting from second, got his way on the start around Kasey Kahne in the 9, and took the checkered flag after leading all 4 laps of tonight's feature race. Thank you for watching. I'm Brandon Rudder.